Hello everyone. Today I just want us to design a 3D logo using pixellab and photopea mockups for free with just an Android phone. And without wasting much of your time, let's kick on. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
We are going to start with the shape. Just use a circle shape like this one. Yeah, let's use a black color. Okay, then come copy it, give it a white color. We just want to erase part of this circle. Yeah, just place it well. Yeah, I think that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Let's just place it at the center horizontal. Then merge these two circles. After merging it, come to erase color here. Enable it. Yeah, I just need this crescent shaped. Yeah, just increase the size a bit and just place it. Then lock it up. Yeah, another thing we're going to import is a shape. This kind of a shape. Just crop it. Reduce its size a bit. Yeah, I think that's good. That's good. And the next step, we are going to add text, the brand name, and I'm going to use my channel name. Yeah, the first one is Alva. Press OK. Yeah, just come and place it down here. Yeah, then increase its size a bit. I think to about 40 thereabout. Yeah, use the left padding to enable all letters to be visible. Then come to font. I'm going to use this font here, Bloggers and Bold, this one. Yeah, it's kind of impressive now. Copy it and again insert the second name for a brand. Yeah, it's graphics. Okay, press OK. Then just reduce the size a bit, not so much, but I think 35 is okay, or 30. Yeah, that's okay. I just place it somewhere here. Yeah, that's okay now. Let's place also this one. Okay, that's also right. Increase the shape of this element. Yeah, I think they're starting now to come out what we want now. Yeah, that's okay. I just like to merge this name together. And I'll just remove the black shadow, the erase color. Yeah, that's what I need. Okay, that's good now. So after this, we are going now to bring the YouTube logo. Go to the downloads here. Let's just scroll downwards. just crop it to remove the unwanted part. Yeah, I think that's good now. Press OK. Okay, come to relative size and reduce it to about 10. Yeah, I think that's good now. Come and place it there. Again, we're going to import another element, which is an Instagram logo. Come to browse. Again, let's go and search for the Instagram. Here it is. Crop it again. I'm cropping it using the ratio of 1:1. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, come to relative size, reduce to 10 also. Yeah, then I'll just place it somewhere there. Okay, let's use the position tool to place it. Yeah, that's good. Reduce the YouTube downwards, just place it downwards a bit. I think, let me reduce the sizes to 8. Yeah, I think 8 is good. Yeah, starting now to bring a kind of a look. Okay, then after placing this one like this, I'll just merge the name and our element that we imported, these two. After merging them, then I just want to place them a bit downwards. Yes, let's unlock our circle, crescent shape. Yeah, I think that's placed so good. Yeah, take it to the back. Just want to, okay, sorry. Yeah, place it somewhere here. Again, resize it. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, after this one, then let's just merge the circle and the name. After merging them, come to the texture. Shall just give it this kind of a texture. Crop it just to give it a look. Yeah, after that one, come to just disable that one. Yeah, I think that's good. This place so perfect. Okay, take it to the back. I just want us to deal with this one now. So since they are becoming too small, let us just increase it a bit. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, position it just above it. Okay, then just merge all of this thing, all of our 2D logo, and all is okay now. So after getting this, you just want to use mockups in photopea to turn it to 3D. Yeah, so we'll just export it as a PNG without with a transparent background, then export it. Okay, then come to Chrome. Yeah, we shall use photopea here. Yeah, you shall use photopea.com. Then come to templates here. Yeah, after it was open, just scroll downwards, yeah, to find the mockup that you're going to use today. And the mockup you're going to use today is this one, Fridays Studio, this one here. So just tap it and come here and tap this link here with photopea, this one, and allow it just to open. Give it just a time to load the mockup. And this our mockup was already open. Just come to the layers here, come and double tap this small square here, just double tap it. Okay, then come and unlock that one, hide that letter, that writing, and then come to files, open and place. Yeah, take our PNG photo, allow it to load. Yeah, already it's placed. Then come to files, save a smart object, double tap, then come and tap mockup this other side, and just allow it to load. Yeah, already it's updated. Then come to files and export as. Yeah, let's export it as a JPG. Then come to save. Yeah, click download again to download. Yeah, already it's downloaded. Then click open to see our beautiful work. Yeah, this is what we have done now. Yeah, it's having an impressive look now. Now guys, don't just forget to subscribe to my channel, and may God bless you. Thank you.